Hey, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to utilize your touch keypad that you may already have installed on your Toyota Tacoma, or maybe it's something that you're looking to get installed. It's part of the factory setup. You can go to their main page here and see it's $350. Basically what this does, it lets you lock and unlock your vehicle without the use of your key fob. And I did notice here that it requires you to have the technology package to have this installed. So on my truck and all the other trucks that I've seen, they're always mounted in the same place. It's right here on the driver's side window. And all you want to do is just give it a touch and it'll wake it up. These bright red letters make it easy to see at nighttime. But basically what you're going to do to open up your doors is punch in your preset 5-digit code. So I'll punch mine in here and then the doors are going to unlock for me. Once you're ready to lock it back, you just touch the two buttons here that have the lock symbol and you'll see the light flash, and that's going to lock your doors, and you'll notice it can't get in. And then just to reopen that, again, just punch your code in, just like we did before. And if you hold it, you'll actually unlock all 4 doors as an added tip. And so we're now in. And you might also want to reset your lock. If you do, there's a button on the back. Just hold that until it lights up, and then come back around to the front. You'll notice it's illuminated with the red light, and then just punch in a new code that you'd like it to reset to, and it's going to flash, and then everything's set up for your new code. You don't have to do anything else. And so just to show you that the change was successful, we'll wake it up here and then we'll try our new code out. Alright, it took that, and we're going to lock it back, and we'll show you here this door is locked. And then now we're going to try our new code out because we didn't have it locked in before. So we'll just go right back up the line here, and just like that we can get right back into the truck. So this is definitely super helpful. If you don't have your keys and you're locked out, if your key battery's dead, if you need to let somebody into your car, there's a whole bunch of different things that this could come in handy for. For the $350 price tag, I think this is definitely well worth it. For the cost of a key, or having someone having to come out on site to get into your car, even one time, that this thing's going to pay for itself. So if you have any questions, feel free to post those in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the video, and click like, click subscribe, and I will see you next time.